What am I? Classroom objects. Welcome. Hello students. I am Mr. Ishwar. I will be your host for today's game. Are you ready to have some fun? Game rules. Read each clue and guess the word. The group that has the most points is the winner. Are you ready? What am I? I am a large board used for writing or displaying information during lessons. I am a blackboard. What am I? You need me in writing. I am used for taking notes or completing assignments. I am a pencil or pen. What am I? I carry books, supplies, and personal belongings to and from school. I am a backpack. What am I? I am a piece of furniture with a flat surface for you to work on. I am a desk. What am I? I am used for learning and reference. I am typically found on shelves in the library. I am a book. What am I? I am used for removing pencil or chalk marks from paper or a notebook. I am an eraser. Thank you. See you next time.